ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI chatbots are often very good at reading English, but while they can interpret other languages too, they wobble when more complex or regional scripts are thrown at it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A Bengaluru startup called Sarvam AI can outperform the global rivals when it comes to OCR and multilingual speech, particularly when it comes to the tongues of the subcontinent. The Sarvam Vision and Bobo V3 models are built with India's linguistic complexity in mind. Sarvam Vision can interpret complex tables, understand charts, recognize text in real-world scenes, and generate captions, while Bobo V3 handles the text-to-speech system, supporting all 22 official Indian languages. Bobo V3 even sounds like a local. As many multilingual users know, the awkwardness of hearing their language pronounced as if it were a distant cousin of English can make someone reluctant to try the technology. But this model captures rhythm and tone more accurately and can make people feel more comfortable using it. And while OCR may not sound glamorous, it shines when you scan a document, upload a PDF, or digitize an old record. Sarvam AI focuses on separating itself from foreign platforms by tailoring its tools to Indian needs. The AI boom has been a race among a few players, yet breakthroughs like these leave their mark. Whether Sarvam will be a hit or a miss depends on adoption. Plus, if Sarvam holds up, larger AI companies will feel pressure to improve their own support for more language and scripts. If AI is going to shape the next decade of digital life, it has to speak languages more than just English. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.